This is going to be a demonstration of Oracle JD Edwards plugin. The purpose of the plugin is to execute a job, and also we can see the status of the job that is executed. This is the application of Oracle JD Edwards where we shall see the job details. We have to click view job status here, and we shall be able to see the jobs that are executed already in the system, and the latest entry is 1826. The job number is unique here, and it is going to be unique for each job that is executed. And by executing the same job through our application, we shall be expecting a new entry, probably 1827 here. So I shall go to DWC now, and this is the UI where I shall be deploying the job. For deploying a job or submitting the details which you want to use for executing the job in JD Edwards, we just have to navigate to Workload Designer, create new job definition, filter Oracle JD Edwards, select this, and this is how the plugin UI looks. Here we just have to give an entry, Oracle JD Edwards, choose the workstation accordingly. And we have two sections here. One is connection tab and the other one is action tab. We have to establish a connection first, followed by job execution. And here we have to mention the AIS server followed by the port details, followed by the username and password that is used to perform the connection establishment. So I shall be entering the same details. Followed by the username and password, and I'll be performing test connection. As you can see, the connection is successfully established now, and I shall be proceeding with the action tab. The purpose of the plugin, as I have already explained, is to execute the job, and we need to mention two details here. One of them is report name, and the second one is the report version. We have another functionality named validate here. The validate purpose is to perform the validation whether the report name and the report version are valid in the case of the application details that you have mentioned before. So this is going to run an API in the backend, validate the report name and the report version, and then send the response back to us. And also, as I have performed the validate operation, we can see the report name and the report version are valid in here in this case. So I shall proceed with the job submission now. So before that, we have to save the job details. And the job definition says it is successfully saved. Now I have to run the job. I have to provide a job alias. Click OK. And the job is successfully submitted to the job stream. Now we have to monitor the job. So for that, we need to go to monitoring and reporting, orchestration monitor, select the option job here, advanced query, mention the job name here and filter it. As you can see, the job is present. It is in ready state to get executed. We have to choose properties in order to run the job, scheduling options 101 here, and save it. The job is successfully submitted. We have to see the status now of the job. And the job is successfully submitted. And I shall open the job log now. Yes, we can see that the job number is updated with 1827, and we also uh, have received the details of the job. The status of the job says it is successfully executed. I shall show the UI of application once. So the previous entry was 1826. I just have to perform a refresh operation to see the latest entry getting updated. And yes, the new job entry is also updated here using the username is Saket, and the time of the job submission is 10:02 and the current time is 10:03. So this is it. Thank you.